you in just a little bit. We're following breaking news right now. Raymond Durham, the 60-year-old man charged in shooting 2 Detroit police officers, appeared in court today. He was found incompetent to stand trial by a doctor through independent testing. We're joined now by Local 4's Sean Lay, who has been following this story for us. And Sean, this doesn't mean that he won't stand trial, is that right?
Let's talk about exactly what it means right now. The case is on hold at least for the next 90 days. The order from court this morning, Durham to be immediately transferred to a forensic center in Saline, where he's ordered to undergo emergency treatment. Let's take you inside that courtroom this morning. Only Local 4 cameras are there this morning. Ray Durham making sounds at his competency hearing this morning. The independent review finding Durham is incompetent to stand trial in the shooting of 2 Detroit police officers. That happened back in March. A doctor's ruling that the Wayne County prosecutor is not challenging. 2 officers were shot. They're recovering from the attack. Durham now facing 10 felonies. All of that on hold while Durham is treated. I spoke with Durham's attorney right after this very quick hearing this morning. She was gearing up for a fight for prosecutors to challenge the doctor's ruling, but no challenge came.
I think initially the prosecution did say that they were going to object to the competency, to the finding that he was incompetent, which is their right, which is our right too. Sometimes we do that. However, I think they had an opportunity to review some other records relating to Mr. Durham, and after reviewing those records, they agreed that he is in fact incompetent.
Back here live, much more to talk about this case. Durham, though, off to Saline for immediate treatment at the forensic center. This will all be reviewed in 90 days. August 7th, 2 sides will get back together, bring Durham back in and see if his competency has been restored. I'm going to go, Evrod. We're going to hear from Detroit Police Chief James Craig and get his reaction to this very controversial ruling. And we'll have that coming up a little later on Local 4 News. Back to you.
All righty. Sean, we'll see you a little bit later this evening.